Now I'm about to count down again. 1, 2, 3. What?
Nothing. I just didn't look at him yet. I had to.
He ugly or something?
No, I just didn't. No, I just.
She was blushing, bro.
Oh, he's cute. Ah! Wait. That's exactly what I'm about to do. Now you're about to rate each other. Respectfully. Okay. What you give him? Don't mind this, but it's your boy who? It's your boy what? It's your boy Wavy the fuck, bro. Back again on the tube. Coming at y'all with another
Tell him. Man told you already, man, string that kick. When we see your upward hop out, man, beat that. See your upward shit, man, sweep it. Sweet criminal shot, they say one thing more. I'ma go make a hot boy bleed. Don't worry, I'ma beat back. Shot play, but then I was so I leave that. Beat that. Gangsters to the left, to my right. Keep thinking everything like me. Tech man's life could have been a matter of.
I'm coming at y'all with a little blind date today. Feel me? I'm about to put my boy Ty. Boop. Y'all see what I did there? On the blind date with my girl, Sanaya Rose. Boop. Ah! Y'all see what I did there? Y'all see what I did there? Look, I'm gonna pick this up when I'm interviewing both of them to see like how they feel like the blind date about to go. You feel me? In the beginning, let them talk to the camera, let them talk their shit before I blindfold they dumbasses.
Stand up.
Boom, 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 boom. It's your boy here. I'm back with
NIYAH motherfucking Banks.
You ready?
Stay ready.
You ready?
Bro, yes.
Why are you seeing this fucking government? Yo, Wavy roll, Wavy roll. So she said she's ready, right? Let me see the film.
Okay.
Why she came in that thought shit, bro? Why she came in that thought? She came in great leggings. She trying to fuck. Yup. She trying to fuck on the first date.
Demon time? No
demon time. You want demon time? You don't. Tell the camera what time you want.
I'm calm.
Stand up. Some kind of shit. With some kind of shit.
If he ugly, you're gonna get me back.
All right. So what? Okay. If he cute, what's the extent you gonna go to? Demon time?
Oh no, not on the first night.
What's your type?
Brown skin.
Brown skin. Okay.
I did go with this. You gonna thank your brother for this one, alright? You gonna thank me for sure for this one.
W.
Alright, so look. I ain't gonna lie, when you get in that car, you know you about to get blindfolded, right?
Wait, right now?
It's starting from right now. It's your boy Wavy Roll, who I'm here with right now.
It's Terry. I'm a new face.
No kizzy.
Follow me on IG though. At Subworthy.
It's gonna be right here.
It's gonna be right here. Boop. Boop.
It's gonna be in the description, right?
Yeah, no, definitely. I got
Yeah. You scared, bro?
No.
You ready? You gonna spit some? You got.
You want demon time?
Wait. Rate your Riz, bro.
Rate my Riz. I ain't even gonna lie, like.
Supreme Riz?
My shit like an 8.
8. Okay.
You feel me?
But we gonna see though. We gonna see though. We gonna see though.
Look, you gotta be right at her, bro. Well, I'm telling you, she fired. Cameraman saying she fired. Baby wrote his one with that.
She gonna get blindfolded, right?
Oh yeah, I know that.
Feel me? My man got the vape on, Nerf face,
Burberry.
Burberry.
I don't have a cut. That's it. I just don't have a cut.
You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is tuck your shit, bro. Don't. You gotta be on demon timing too.
Shit, yeah, niggas about to get blindfolded.
Let's go.
Word.
Yeah, there we go. Alright. Look, Wavy Roll gonna catch y'all when we in the area. Look. In the car, don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Don't even speak.
I need that 8 Riz to come out today.
It's your boy Wavy Roll. Who I'm here with?
Shit, it's 2 times, you feel me?
Who I'm here with?
Terry from me, new face.
I
said that.
Who I'm here with?
NIYAH motherfucking Banks.
Yeah.
NIYAH Rose. Alright, look. Let me get saucy in here real quick. Let me take this goddamn coat off. I don't know if y'all wanna take y'all coats off. Psych! About to be cold as hell in this bitch. Cause I can't blast the heat, cause you feel me? Y'all I mean? Alright, look. Y'all can introduce yourself to each other.
You go first.
My name's Sanaya.
It's Naya. You go, Naya. My name is Tay. I heard that.
That's it. Nothing.
I mean, like, you go to school here?
Yes.
What year? This your first year?
Oh, I don't go to school.
Oh, you don't go to school here?
I just graduated in North.
Oh, nah, yeah. First year here.
So you're a freshman. You in college and shit.
Me, yeah. Freshman in college.
You soon to be.
You go here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Boom. We about to hit y'all with the first question. What do y'all look for in a partner?
Who going first?
Good vibes, great personality.
Facts, fact.
Any like
Physical appearance.
yeah.
Like,
You
what's your
just
type?
gotta. Alright, so my type, I like dark skin. You gotta be tall. And you gotta know how to dress.
I know my boy know how to dress for real.
Yeah.
He brown skin, like, you feel me? You know how to dress for
I
real.
can throw that shit on for me.
Yeah! My boy can throw that shit on for real.
He said something calm.
Alright, Calm, how about you? What you look for in a partner?
I like the consistency, you feel me? Like that. You know, you gotta be good vibes, you know, be cool around. Like, I gotta connect with you, feel me? On that level, like spiritually, all that shit. It's just like,
It's bigger than.
yeah, it's just
bigger than
bigger
looks,
than
nigga,
yeah. The looks is just like, it's a plus.
You trying to find someone to build with type shit.
Exactly.
Yeah, I fuck
Make
with
money
that.
with you, feel me? All that shit.
Ooh, he talking cash. Cause my boy do put that shit on, so you need the cash, yeah. You feel me? Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, you feel me? Nah, do you feel me right
I
now?
feel you.
You like what you're hearing?
Sound sweet?
Sound good.
Sound good.
So he gotta show you more than he tell you.
You can show her?
For sure.
Okay. Alright, look. Second question. Longest relationship and why did y'all break up? Who's going
You
first?
go first.
Well, I gotta go first. All right.
And don't cap either.
No cap.
Don't cap.
No rap
Damn.
cap here, yeah?
No rap cap. Longest relationship. It was like a year, and then we took a break, and then we got back into it for like half a year, and it was just, yeah, that's that. And why we break up? It's just there was no communication. It wasn't consistent. It just got bad.
Right.
So it just ended it there. You feel me?
No bad love, like that's still in contact or?
Nah, we don't talk. But like,
No
we,
toxic.
nah, was it toxic?
You
Is
asking me?
that what you asked me?
Yeah.
That's what you asked me?
Yeah.
Was it toxic? At first, definitely was toxic at first. I'm not gonna lie, but
Was you toxic?
me,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop your fucking lying.
Healthy vibes.
I don't know.
Black men don't be toxic.
I was not
Black men
toxic.
don't cheat either, right?
Yeah, I know.
Look. Alright, nah, your turn.
For 3.5 years, it was on and off a lot. It was real toxic.
Damn.
Real toxic.
He said, damn.
It was a lot of cheating.
Both sides or just you or him?
Be honest.
Both sides. But I told you, huh?
You was cheating first?
Okay,
No,
what
no,
I
yes
no.
or no?
Look, but what I explained even on the other video, what I explained my cheat was, he said it wasn't cheating.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
it wasn't
was
even
some
talking to anybody like that.
Like
So
liking pictures, shit like that.
no,
it was not that.
yeah. So, and why we broke up, he did some slime shit.
He slimed you out.
Yeah, he is a slimy ass nigga.
Damn. That man.
Oh man,
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, boom. Where do y'all see yourselves in 5 years? Who going first?
him.
Like
I went
5
first
years.
twice.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
He went first
I
once.
said my name and I answered the first question.
Nah, she
That's
did.
twice.
She did.
Don't try to pick up for her.
Why ain't Manning?
Don't try to pick up for her.
She not lying. Alright, but in the next 5 years, definitely starting my psychology shit.
That's your major?
Yeah,
That's right.
definitely starting my practice and all that. Try to at least. And that's really it. Yeah.
Like, would you want a kid or anything in like the next 5 years?
Hell no. I'm not gonna lie.
At least a serious relationship.
I mean, if it comes to that point, like if it's there, then of course. But like,
You not really chasing a female, you chasing money. Type shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you feel me?
Like,
You feel her?
As you should.
She won't say as you should. She just trying to get in your cheeks, bro. Alright, look, so how about you? Where do you see yourself in 5 years, like?
Finishing school to become a nurse. Well, a doctor. Kids, no. Yeah, finishing school.
You want to become a doctor? So like, if I break my leg, you gonna fix me?
I want to be a children's doctor.
Fuck you.
nah, that's valid.
I'm gonna have a kid in like 5 years. So I'm gonna take care of it.
Nice.
Probably, yo, you never know. You feel me? You don't know. You don't even know what the next year could bring you, my nigga.
No.
2022 is just starting. I might have a kid right now, type shit. God forbid, though. If I'm fucking you, just know. Oh.
I said, wow.
I was about to say I deleted the shit. I was about to cry. Alright, so you answered that. How y'all feel about that? Y'all on like kind of on the same page type shit?
Yeah.
Okay. Hell no on the kids, right?
Hell no.
I think we all can agree on that.
Word.
I mean, y'all kind of answered this, but like, I'm gonna still ask, what could y'all bring to the table for each other? Like, it's hard. It's hard, nigga.
A little, like.
A little hard.
Cause I can bring a lot to the table.
What that mean?
Like I can bring a lot to the table. Like,
So your shit, bro.
I could basically like
what?
be there. Like if he need help, he need training and shit on like either making money or just his goals. Like I could help him with that.
That's valid.
Like what if he's stressed on like a bad day at work or something? He's stressed.
I could help him with that.
That's valid.
You don't got anything to say to that?
Nah, respectfully. That's valid.
Valid. So what could you bring to the table for
But
her?
for me, like, bro, like exactly what she said, like you know, shoulder to lean on. I'm here for me all the time, anytime. So like, some calm shit like that. For me.
Yeah, I feel you.
Calm shit.
Calm shit. Just like that, calm shit.
Oh, grooming and shit.
Yeah. This nigga right here, he mature. You feel me? Ain't no little boy shit. No 444s, breesh.
Yo,
Lie.
you got me there.
Like, are you materialistic person though? Like, you feel like niggas gotta buy you shit?
No.
Oh, you see, this is my type of feel. Like, you see, I fuck with you already.
But you gotta buy me something.
What you want? What you want?
I don't know, you gotta choose.
Oh,
I like food.
you like food?
I like food.
I work at Wendy's, but what you want? 4 for 4?
Oh, hell no.
Okay, that didn't go too well.
No fucking 444s. You're not doing that.
How old are you?
Me? Oh, I'm 18.
When's your birthday?
Next month.
When?
The 14th.
We should pop out to my party.
February 14th?
Yeah, Aquarius.
You was born on Valentine's. Yo, you was born on Valentine's Day.
Did he just say Aquarius?
Wait. I can get to y'all talking. Wait. Do it again. Do that again.
Do what again?
Ill and shit. Do it.
Oh.
Yeah, do that. Yeah,
I'm 18.
18. What's your birthday?
March 9th.
March. Okay.
I'm a Pisces.
Pisces. I got a problem with Pisces. You got a problem with Aquarius. I can tell. But I heard that.
Cause y'all like.
What?
I don't know how to explain it. Like y'all like to take charge, and that's not happening. Respectfully.
Okay. Alright. I mean, alright.
Y'all good?
No, yeah, for sure. Yeah. For sure.
Well, y'all took y'all shit real quick. Alright.
No, yeah, I don't got a problem with no Pisces. I never had one.
You can't.
I'm taking your word for it.
Come on, you be tracking it.
I'm just saying, like, you gonna take your word for it type shit. Alright, so look, next question, right?
Yeah.
She kind of touched on this, so this is kind of more for you.
Right.
Have you, it says have y'all, but I'm gonna say, have you ever cheated before?
Hell no. Never. Never.
What's your like take on cheating? Like you don't fuck with
That
that?
shit is like my take on it. It's like you shouldn't. If you feel that urge, like you shouldn't even be in that shit in the first place. You feel me? Like just leave that shit. Like it's just simple like that.
So like, what if you was talking to a female, right, and she like dancing to another nigga at a party? How would you feel?
Be tight.
But
like at the end of the day, like
is that considered cheating?
y'all really not together.
Thank you.
Y'all really not together. But like, I mean, you can still be tight because like, damn.
Yeah, you have all right to be tight, but that's not
Exactly,
cheating.
but, like, that's
so
not-
right here, she has. So now you can say she never cheated.
Okay.
She never cheated. We can't speak on her ex though. Can't speak on him. All right.
So look, so we gonna give y'all about like 2 minutes, 2 minutes to talk. We gonna leave the car, you feel me? So what you gotta do, get to know each other, you feel me? And it's just like that.
I ain't gonna lie, I gotta put my jacket on. It's cold as fuck outside. Cold as a bitch. Cold as a bitch. So like, I'm gonna give you like 3 minutes to be honest. I'm gonna give you 3 minutes.
Alright, close the
I'm
door.
gonna set a what? What's you?
Shit.
Timer. Do it 3 minutes. Starting now. Alright, so
How you doing? Like, what's up?
I'm good. How are you?
Say I'm chilling. What you did today?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. I just got ready for this.
Type. Yeah, I feel you. You got any questions you wanna ask me? Like off rip?
Where you from?
From New York,
What part?
Brooklyn,
What part?
Coney Island.
Barf.
What the yo? Oh my god. Where you from?
Canarsie.
Canarsie, okay. No, I met one dude from Canarsie.
Who?
His name was Jamie.
His name is what?
His name is Jamie. He lived up in Canarsie. Yeah. I don't know. He was cool. Yeah, but you moved down here? When'd you move down here?
I moved out here 5 years ago.
9 years ago. You know, like why?
My mom just wanted to take us out of New York because a lot of like my sister and like all of us would just get in trouble a lot.
Yeah. That's just like the same. I was a little kid.
When you came out here?
Yeah.
How little?
Like 2nd grade, 1st
Oh
grade.
yeah, you're from PA.
Yeah. I don't know.
You're from PA.
I don't know. Cause I still
So what? You be out there?
I still go back there. Cause I still have my apartment there, so
Okay.
I go there.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it was the same tip. Like
Basically the same thing.
Yeah, but it was like my brothers would get in trouble.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2, and then a few years ago I met another one from my dad's side that we didn't know about.
Okay. They both older than you?
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
Oh, so you're the baby.
Yeah. You have any siblings, right?
I have an older sister.
oh, you trying to be spicy? Alright, bet. So, yeah. It's your boy Wavy Road. If you like this fucking video, make sure you spam up that like button, hit that subscribe button.
You feel me?
Make sure you comment and share the video, bro. I need both of y'all to post this shit when I feel
Oh yeah, for sure. You got it.
Yeah.
It's a banger,
Yeah, you see like him right here? I already knew my man's right here gonna post it. I knew my man right here gonna post it. Word. So, yeah, I'm shout out to Instagram again.
At Suckworthy, SUCC Worthy. Follow me.
Alright.
NIYAH 2_Banks 2S. And on YouTube, NIYAH Rose.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You got a channel? You got anything?
I don't know. I don't do YouTube.
You want to? Like,
I mean, I was thinking about like my guys. You feel me?
yes.
Yeah, bro. It might be coming. I don't know. It might
Stay in fucking tune. You feel me? He's gonna definitely be in more videos, more funny shit.
New face, but
New face.
I'll change.
Say that. Like I said, yeah, it's your boy Wavy Road.
And we out.
My boy 2 times. Don't forget to subscribe to him too.
Okay.
And we out.
Peace.
W
W fucking bad. Alright.
When he was saying what he was saying,
you can
your
pass
head was like this.
Oh yeah. Cool, miss.
You was
said
peeking
that
past it.
My scarf was in the way.
Yeah, so had to sit this one out.
You wanted to play though, right?
I did want to play.
Oh, okay, good. So like, when you go to college, where you plan on going to college?
I might go here.
Come here.
I might go here.
Mm-hmm.
Or Atlanta or Florida. Atlanta, Emory University. Florida, USF.
Mm-hmm.
So in between these three that I really want to go to.
Alright. You have a backup plan, like, if this don't work out?
Like nursing? If nursing don't work out?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to open my own hair store and my own salon.
Okay.
Because I do hair as well. So.
Okay. That's cool. That's cool. So you got a little plan. I like that. That's cool. I like that.
And what about you?
Like backup plan and stuff like that?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, if the psychology stuff don't work out, then I'm probably gonna do some business, like entrepreneur type shit. Like, okay. I really don't want to do that because I like my psychology.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. Studying about the brain and all that.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. So
and stick to what you like.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Like I don't want this to fail. You feel me? Like,
you gotta do what you gotta do, so don't.
Yeah.
Look, y'all minute was over like 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, but I'm gonna let y'all finish this conversation up a little bit. Just give me thumbs up when y'all done, alright?
Alright.
Okay.
Keep talking your shit.
Yeah, so just don't give up on what you're doing then.
Nah, sure not. Yeah. What made you go into nursing and stuff like that?
So I chose that when I was in like 5th grade.
Mm-hmm.
Because no, it was like 6th grade I chose around that time. So the middle school I went to in New York, it was called Science and Medicine, and basically, you know, it was basically all like medicine, science, and stuff like that. And they used to take us to like Cornell in Manhattan and like do nursing shit. So I just grew liking to that. And then I like kids, but I don't want none for myself. So I was just like, I like kids. I want to be a doctor. I might as well be a pediatric.
Yeah, I like kids too, but like I don't like when they're obnoxious. But
yes,
like, that just comes with the kid. Like every kid is obnoxious. You feel me?
I wouldn't say every kid.
Most kids is obnoxious. Like an average kid you're gonna run into is gonna be obnoxious as hell.
Yeah, but that's why you see, that's like a regular checkup doctor. Like you know, you come in for like 20-30 minutes. They see what's wrong with you, fill out your physicals, all that, give it right back, and then the kid leaves. So it's not. I wouldn't say it's not much to it, but it's not as bad as we think of it.
I feel like that's just with everything. Like,
if you really like it, it's not gonna be that bad to you.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, but nah, like at first I didn't even know what I wanted to do. Like I'll say like I think it was my 10th grade year, sophomore year. I took psychology because I'm just like, I don't even know. Like, I'm not gonna lie. My freshman year, I didn't know what the hell I wanted to do. Like, I was just in there just, you know, just like, and I took psychology. And I took philosophy with it. So it's like taking philosophy, and you know how philosophy is.
Sort of, kind of.
Yeah, like you think of everything in a different way, type, you know, shit like that. So like, I'm taking philosophy. I'm like, yo, this is like, if I'm thinking of it this way, I can see where it's coming from. I don't know. And then I took psychology, and then I was like crazy in that.
No, I like psychology too. I took it last year, and it was valid. It was valid. I fuck with it.
Yeah, cause I got my letter of recommendation from a psychology and philosophy teacher. So yeah. Like,
how tall are you?
How tall am I? Like 5'10".
Okay, not bad.
Yeah, 5'10", 5'9", whatever it is.
Not bad.
How tall are you?
5'6".
5'6". Okay. And you like the tall guys, like tall guys.
I mean, if I can look up to you, that's fine.
Alright. Okay, that's valid. That's valid.
I don't want to be like looking straight in your face.
That's valid. You got any more questions you want to ask me?
No.
No? Yeah, I'm out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm out. I'm gonna throw the thumbs up.
You so annoying.
He get hype as hell.
I can't. I honestly can't. Damn.
Alright,
W 2 minutes.
Look, that was a W 3 minutes. What turned into like 15?
We give you extra time.
Give you a hell of extra time. How was that?
Rate the combo 1 to 10.
Yeah.
Rate 1 to 10. Give it a 10. Give it a 10.
A 10?
Yeah, she
No. Time out. You give it a 10? You give it a 10?
Are you talking to me?
No. Fuck you right now. You giving it a 10?
Yeah, she had a like nice head on her shoulders, like for me.
So y'all ain't even just
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 10.
How much you give this shit?
I give it a 10.
Am I not a matchmaker? Answer that. Like I'm not a matchmaker.
Nah, she a good girl. Yeah, she a good girl.
No, she not.
It's
It's like, nah, I'm fucking with you. Alright, look. Now it's gonna come to looks. You feel me?
You're loving the personality now. I get to see who you really talking to.
Exactly. Look.
So,
One. So wait, what?
3 seconds. 3.
I'm gonna give you 3 seconds, right?
3 seconds for what?
To take that waffles off. 1.
Can I like face this way first? Or
Yeah, you can face that way too. Face that way too. Don't look yet.
Okay.
Take it, bro.
Oh shit! I thought you were counting down my phone.
Oh no. She already snatched this shit. She was free. Alright. Now I'm about to count down again. 1, 2, 3. What?
Nothing. I just didn't look at him yet. I had to.
He ugly or something?
No, I just didn't. No, I just.
She was blushing, bro.
Oh, he's cute. That's exactly what I'm about to do. Now you're about to rate each other. Respectfully.
Okay.
What you give him? And let me just say this. I loved how he answered the last question first, so he don't gotta rate you first. What you give him though?
That's okay.
Yeah, talk your shit too. Do your talking.
Smile for me.
Oh my god. That's the most I can't like force a smile.
Yeah.
That's the most you
I give you a 9. You a 9.
Respectfully.
Yes, sir.
Respectfully.
What you give her?
Nah, she cute. You cute.
Cute.
You look good. Like. What was that for?
Nothing. Cause you.
I see the drip. Okay.
It's calm. Nothing too crazy.
I feel.
Yeah.
I'll give you 9.5.
Alright. Boom. What would y'all dream dates be like? Like, where would you want to go? What would you want to experience? You feel me? Who going first?
Me.
Alright. Or like, where's somewhere you would take her type shit?
Somewhere I would take her.
Or what's your dream date? Like, you get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. I like seafood a lot. Like, feel me? I like seafood a lot. So like, we'd go to some seafood, like when we get a seafood boil, shit like that.
Wait, but that's your dream date?
Yeah, some calm shit like. That'd be like
some calm shit.
I don't really like have like.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't really have like a dream. Like really somewhere I really want to go.
Like that's somewhere you take her on like a first date type shit, right? Alright, yo, look, my camera cut off. It turned back on though. Suck my dick. I don't got time for y'all niggas be telling me why the fuck the camera cut off in the video, alright? It cut off and it came back on. So like I was saying though, like that's somewhere you would take her on like a first date type shit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fuck with that shit? No,
yeah.
No, don't try to
yeah.
Yeah.
I like seafood.
Yeah? That's it? You just like seafood?
I love seafood.
I ain't gonna lie. She loves seafood. One thing about my sister, she loves seafood. She feeds seafood.
Seafood good.
I'm getting hella comments. I ain't gonna lie, I posted y'all on Instagram. And I'm getting hella swipes up.
Cute. Okay.
But,
So, see, I like to travel. So, my dream date would be like somewhere on an island type shit.
Oh, that's the dream. Okay.
Yeah, that's my dream date.
Okay, yeah.
Now, for first date, probably seafood and movies. On some calm shit.
What's your favorite like? What's your favorite like genre, like movie genre?
I like horror.
Like horror. Okay, that's cool. Horror's cool.
What about you?
It's a mix between like action and horror. Like I like action, like yeah, like.
So you a Marvel type of guy?
I fuck with Marvel heavy.
You fuck with Marvel?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, you gonna have to be, but you gonna have to change up, cause
You don't like Marvel?
You don't like Marvel? You don't like that action shit.
But she wanted to watch Spider-Man.
Or you,
but she wanted to watch Spider-Man.
Okay, so like I can watch it.
You watch
but,
Spider-Man,
like,
right?
Yeah, I can watch it, but it's just like
we understand it.
I don't really understand it. That too.
All right. Okay.
So like, yeah.
All right. So like, everybody going crazy in the movie theater for Spider-Man.
And I still didn't go see it.
Damn.
Damn, I did.
Damn, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that shit was tough. I ain't gonna lie. Hey yo, you remember who I went with, yo? I miss you, Stink.
Shit.
Oh.
I'm gonna take that out the video. But so like, why you gotta go to the movies after like? Why y'all can't hit the crib?
Because.
Probably after the movies, right?
Yeah, we could after the movies, but like, who just wanna eat and go straight home? We can eat and go watch a movie.
Why don't we just eat at the movie theater?
Or I mean, we can do that. They got movie theaters like that in Jersey, so.
You're not from Jersey, don't jack Jersey.
I never jack Jersey. Y'all never heard me jack Jersey ever.
Fuck up. Fuck New York, nigga. What the fuck? No, yo, I want y'all at the same time.
Damn.
Then he stayed quiet.
We both from New York.
I know, that's why you stayed quiet.
Damn.
But yeah, we both from New York.
So like, it's giving power couple type shit. Oh wait, no, y'all don't answer that. Yo, y'all think it's giving power couple? Drop it in the comment section, please. Spam up the comment section. Spam it up, my boy. Spam it up. Would y'all go on a second date?
You gotta answer that first.
I'll answer that first.
Answer that first.
Well, I don't have to answer that first.
No, that's you. Answer that first.
But yeah, if it's going good, yeah. But like, off the basis, like right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't try to base your answer off of him. Give me
I'm
true to heart.
I am. You talking shit?
No.
Oh, I like your personality, and you give me good vibes, so I would.
I ain't gonna lie, Aquarius do give off good vibes. I can say that about Aquarius. Those niggas do give off good vibes. You feel what I mean? So you saying yeah?
Yeah.
That's valid. Alright, look. So how do y'all both feel about this blind date right now? Like, was it a success?
W.
You can go first.
Yeah, you go first. It was W. Ooh, W was in the spam. Spam them shits up, my nigga. W.
How y'all feeling about it though?
W.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what y'all was talking about in here, but when from the outside looks in, it looked like good conversation. You feel me?
It was good
My
conversation.
sister was smiling.
It was good
And
conversation.
she
Feel me?
looking
She was
towards you
smiling.
with the blindfold.
Like the blindfold was on. The blindfold was on, and she was still looking in your direction. You feel me? Like, you feel me? Like, it seemed good.
It was good conversation.
Good conversation?
Good conversation. Right?
Alright, so look.
What's up?
Look. I don't know if I'm gonna do a part 2 with y'all. So I don't know if I don't want y'all to have each other's social media right now. Don't give it to them. Do it. Alright, so look. If y'all want, y'all can exchange social medias and shit like that. But for my channel, I want to put y'all on a second blind date type shit. But like, it's gonna be on me type shit. Like, I'll pay for y'all shit.
You really gonna do that?
Oh, I'm like, what? Okay.
Alright.
You gonna pay for my food?
I'm gonna pay for y'all shit, bro. Y'all better not kill my pocket.
She gonna.
I'm about to OD.
She gonna
It's gonna be like $50 a day, right?
No. It'd be like.
I won't.
They be like what?
It'd be like. It depends on what you want. Normally, mine's come to like 40.
Same shit.
So one person 40. Damn. 2 people 48. 4 people. That's $100. Wait, I'm not going on that blind date, nigga. I'm gonna just set the camera up and dip. I'm gonna show them how to use it. Turn it on, turn it off. I don't think I don't think they gonna both run off with my camera. They probably would. Sticky pocket. It's like nah.
Nah, shiesty.
So you gonna run off with my camera? Yeah, it's her. Look, you see, exactly, it's her. So look, I'm probably gonna put them on another blind date. Y'all can exchange our social medias if y'all want right now. Snapchat numbers, whatever you want to do.
After the video?
Yeah, after now. Why y'all can't do it right now? They need to see that y'all follow each other now. That I am a fucking matchmaker. Call me Cupid Row, cause I'm out here sending shots, bro. Come on, son.
Oh my God. What's your
IG, SU, CC, and then Worthy.
what? Oh, what's your?
Alright, so we got a dare for you.
Who?
For you.
Why it gotta be me?
Why are you going through his pictures? Like, damn. Damn, he ain't even stalking you yet. Like, damn, you ain't even giving a couple of minutes. Like, damn.
Gotta look.
Gotta look is crazy. My man's not ugly. You see him in his face. My boy just chilling.
Were you at the West game last night?
No.
Oh, I was about to say, I definitely think I seen you.
No, he was not. He doesn't go to those little gas games.
Shut the fuck up.
He grew up. Sorry.
Shaboing boing.
My dick is in your mouth. Shut the fuck up. Talking about Shaboing boing. End of your conversation, exactly. So look, like my man was saying, he got a dare for you.
What?
To end the video off, I feel like it's only right to give my man a kiss on the cheek.
On the cheek?
Yeah. You can do it on the lip.
No.
You feel me? Like, you can give him a kiss on the lip if you want.
I was sparing
Rohan, you know I don't kiss people like that.
I don't know who you kiss, Miss Girl, so don't try to say.
I'm gonna hold your face because I don't want you to.
Damn, wait, gang the kid.
She gonna hold my face.
I don't want you to.
I wasn't gonna. I wasn't gonna do that.
I don't want you to do that.
I wasn't gonna do that.
Wait, can you hold his face and look at the, like, stare into his eyes for a thumbnail? Like something. I need to get the thumbnail tough.
I don't do eye contact.
For a thumbnail.
Come, just do eye contact real quick, please.
I'm not gonna lie, you gonna hate me. You gonna hate me.
I don't do eye contact.
Yeah, you gonna hate me. Cause I don't break that shit.
Come on, real quick, please. I need it for the thumbnail. I need it for the thumbnail.
You gotta do it again.
I need the view. Damn! Who the fuck? So, you see that shit? You see what you're getting into? This is the only one?
She an abuser?
She smacked the shit out of me, bro.
You ready?
My face probably red. I don't even want to show the camera.
I'm
scared.
I'm not even that dark. Now you on my body. That's crazy. She just tried to call me black as shit. You confused me with the wrong nigga. I ain't dark as shit, my nigga. Respectful.
Nah, that's mad funny. Okay.
Alright, so grab his face.
Wait, hold on.
Wait.
It's your boy Wavy Road. If you like this fucking video, make sure you spam up that like button, hit that subscribe button.
You feel me?
Make sure you comment and share the video, bro. I need both of y'all to post this shit when I.
Oh yeah, for sure. You got it.
Yeah.
It's a banger.
You see, like him right here. I already knew my man's right here gonna post it. I know my man's right here gonna post it. Word. So, yeah, I'm shout out to Instagram again.
At Suckworthy, SUCC Worthy. Follow me.
Alright.
NIYAH 2_Banks 2S. And on YouTube, NIYAH Rose.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
You got a channel? You got anything?
I don't know. I don't do YouTube.
You want to? Like,
I mean, I was thinking about like my guys. You feel me?
Yes.
Yeah, bro. It might be coming. I don't know. It might
Stay in fucking tune. You feel me? He's gonna definitely be in more videos, more funny shit.
New face, but
New face.
I'll change.
Say that. Like I said, yeah. It's your boy Wavy Road.
Yeah, we out.
My boy 2 times. Don't forget to subscribe to him too.
Okay.
And we out.
Yo,
Peace.
W vid.
W fucking vid. Alright.
when he was saying what he was
Oh, you
saying, your
can
head was like this.
Oh yeah, cool, man.
Damn, Honcho, he did it again. He run up the rest and he's blue with his friends. He play his cards while you forcing his hand. I do what I want, they do what they can. Damn, Honcho the man with the plan. I'm doing the things that they say that I can. They love on my souls, they put you on the trend. Me fucking this bitch, I support OnlyFans. They only come on